All right, we went up the wall. We installed it, nicey nice. Now we got to come down the wall and give it to power. Well, the only way to give it to power is power. So here's a little piece on the left, nicey nice. Cut out all the plastic and paper that creates fire hazards. So what we're gonna do is we gotta bend it out of the way. We're gonna disconnect everything from this outlet. It might go dark if I'm quick enough. Now there's no ground because the box is not grounded because it's Romex. So unfortunately what you do is you just tuck the ground in the back all the way away so it doesn't short out. But you can't use the ground if the box doesn't have BX. So the box is not grounded. I try to get rid of all the paper because it's fucking fire hazard. Hazard. Okay. So now we just tuck it in the back. I don't cut it because you never know. One day you might have to run something to it and it actually has ground. But here's the small stubbies because we have to connect it. So here's the hot. Again, it's dead because this is coming from the TV. Here's the neutral. Now, just like a car battery, you want to disconnect a certain side first. You want to disconnect the hot side first because you don't want to leave the neutral hanging. Is that correct? So you want to disconnect the hot. It's going to spark because there's a load. The computer, cable, and closed circuit TV, this light, the fan, and any clocks that are on. So as soon as I disconnect one of these, I'm probably going to get nice arcing. So we got to stand up and kneel down so I'm grounded. Oh, don't pardon the pendulum.
It's funny how you're going to be arcing now, and that's when you do that.
If it's really bad, then I'll shut it off. So it shouldn't be doing that because now I'm fucking around with the computer.
Which is in the other room.
So what I'll do is I'll back off the screw and kill. Now I don't know what's hot, but I'll kill it. Now there's no arcing. And now I can play with this. It's just enough. I don't know which is hot, so you still have to be careful as to what to touch. I shouldn't hurt myself because my feet are on the ground, which with anything rubber, even slippers. So this is going to play fuck around. So we're going to have to back this out. So now you want to take a piece, and believe it or not, you want to install it first because you don't want power to be on your hand. I just put it back in there. Right, it's like a pack of smokes. So you're saying to yourself, well, you have 3 wires. How the hell are you going to do it? You don't stab lock because it's not good practice. So what you're going to do is you're going to make one connection to the neutral. All right, well, we got the neutral connected. Now we're going to do the power, and that seems to be the fun part. We took it off, and there was some sparks. Let's just see. Yep. So it looks like the sparks were just because of the fan. So we'll try to do this without getting shocked, because I can't see. Okay, technically you could turn the light back on.
Okay. This one?
Yep. This is the TV. Yep, perfect. No sparks, which means it's not going to blow up. Just bend that a little bit. Okay. Oh. careful. Sometimes your fingertip touches the hot and you're like, boom. Here's the outlet. Nothing's on it. Okay. And then you just spin it like any other circuit. Make it as tight as you can. Get your dikes and just kill the excess, because then it sits in the top of the wire nut and you don't really get the base doesn't cover the important stuff. Okay. Now the fun part. Sitting down and thinking that 4 wires are going to fold like an accordion and go in. Okay, so the outlet is going to sit like that. What you do is you just attack it. Hope there's no nicks. That's it. You don't really have to get it perfect, because the outlet just needs to sit. I have to play with these wires. See, it's perfect. Just enough to kind of just get it in. Just enough. You might have to play with it a little. You might have to play with it. I hate when shit's on. Put it together. Of course, 2 pieces of 14 wire, definitely more fragile, limber. And that's that. I'll just have to tuck this in. There you go. Start one screw. For some reason I had a drywall screw and it worked fine, so we'll put it back in. If I can find the hole. I might have used it because of the hole is proud. Did this get on camera?
I don't remember.
That's just from the hammer, right?
Yeah, just grazed it. A magic eraser may take that off. Possibly.
Okay. Well, we're gonna just plug it in, and off camera we'll make it look nice. So it should be set up, except for date and time. Okay. Plug it back in. Again, we'll make it all nice. Off camera. The
Red
TV.
light is now out, and the TV comes on.
Ah, now it crapped itself because it lost power. Nope. It took a minute. This is the, if you're watching my channel, this is, go back to the October channel. This gives you free TV. There's no commercials. It gives you free TV. It's on Kitchen Nightmares. We'll go to, shoot. We'll go to guide.
Might want to mute it.
Oh yeah, shoot. Okay, Kitchen Nightmares. We'll go to home real quick. I'm still learning this remote. We'll go to YouTube. If it's smart enough, it should be Sesame Street. I unplugged it, so it might reset the TV as far as searching. Nope. Perfect. Click on it, remote. That's it. TV's up and running. Other than hiding the cord and fixing the angle and obviously cleaning up, we're done. Clean it up. That's it. Hit like, hit subscribe. That's how you install an outlet behind any flat screen, big or small, as long as you have power in the relative area. Thanks JK18 for shooting the video on both of them, and we'll see you in the next one.